come sing today. We'll count the fruits in a fun way. First the number, then you'll see. Guess the fruit, what will it be? Let's draw the number 1. Guess what it will be, everyone? It's an apple, shiny red. Count with me, just like I said. 1, only 1. Apple in the sun. Let's draw the number 2. Guess what fruit will come to you? 2 bananas, yellow bright. Count together, left to right. 1, 2 bananas for you. Let's draw the number 3. Guess what fruit it's going to be? 3 strawberries, red and sweet. Count them slowly, what a treat. 1, 2, 3, clap with me. Let's draw the number 4. Guess the fruit, let's explore. 4 oranges, round and bright. Count them now, you've got it right. 1, 2, 3, 4, let's do more. Let's draw the number 5. Guess what fruit will come alive? 5 purple grapes in a line. Count them slowly, take your time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so fine. Let's draw the number 6. Guess what fruit will do the tricks? 6 red cherries, small and sweet. Count them twice, don't miss a beat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, complete. Let's draw the number 7. Guess the fruit, can you tell then? 7 green pears, fresh and clean. Count them slowly on the screen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, see. Let's draw the number 8. Guess the fruit, don't be late. 8 purple plums, 1 by 1. Count together, it's so fun. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, well done. Let's draw the number 9. Guess the fruit, take your time. 9 yellow lemons, bright and fine. Count them slowly, all in line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's draw the number 10. Guess the fruit and count again. 10 big watermelons, green and tall. Count them one by one, count them all.